Hey everyone, so if you want to use Google Translate without issues, like translating offline or getting faster results, you'll need to download languages first. Don't worry, it's super easy, and I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, open the Google Translate app on your phone. Make sure you're connected to the internet because you'll need it to download language packs. Now tap on either the source language or the target language at the top. This will open the full list of available languages. Scroll through the list and find the language you want to download, for example, English, Spanish, or French. You can also use the search bar if it's faster. Next, tap the download icon next to the language. It looks like a small arrow pointing down. Once you tap it, the download will start immediately. Now just wait for it to finish downloading. It might take a few seconds or a couple of minutes depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, you'll see a check mark or a downloaded icon. That means the language is now saved on your device and ready for offline use. And that's it. Now you can translate in that language even without internet. It's perfect for travel, studying, or saving data on the go.